Okay, trying to anticipate this shape and try to create a rectangular square at least. Maybe not a rectangle. Think of the crossing the diagonals. This is a freehand sketch. So along these points, trying to build up that elliptical shape. Looking from here to here, the center out, looking for a third of the distance. If I can find one of these, I can track it all the way across and just build it across like this. So I can kind of get the octagon at least. And from that, just kind of round it off each spot. So it's the reverse of making a pizza pie. But that gives me this cylindrical shape start. Find a tangent line, how far back I want to take this. Looking at the length, and again, as an isometric, they would be parallel. Perspective, they'd be tapered in. Unless the shape is a type of a trapezoid, it would taper out. And from the back on into here. Again, you can still take all of these back if you wanted to see that. And try to angle this off. That's one possible way. And the elliptical shape. Just remember that your ellipses don't have points to them, so try to catch it from there. This interior part has the hole in it, so all you have to do, since you drew this 8-sided piece, is just locate it from the distance. So here you can traverse it around real quickly, and you're building up that shape. And if it's on the same plane, then it would be on the same level. This, if it sets itself in, it's going to be a little tapered in there. So I'll build that in there. Once I have this, I'm pretty much set into this. All I have to do is think it's the cylindrical shape with some texture. So just a simple part of laying that out. Come across, I'm way off. That's all right. Remember, you have line, shape, value, color, texture builds up to the initial sketch. This has a little convex feel to it. Builds that section in. And again, you have a straight edge you can use. Triangle, ruler. And when you look at the value of this, it's an overall dark selection there. And just kind of looking at the interior, there's a cardboard tubing in there. This comes out a little bit. So it's building that section up. It's not a perfect ellipse because of the bending of it, but it's pretty close. Shoot for perfect and let it be soft. Changes after that. And then it just has a little bit of the section here in the cabinet over there. Kind of tapers down. And there it is. So you start to look for lines. There's a little packaging so you can round that off. Follows the direction of it there. Try to get some of the toning there. These accent lines, keep in mind every line is made with a shape, or a volume in this case. In the case of putting down a piece of paper so you don't smear it. Here, the dark against the light edge here. So most of the value in this is relatively dark. Tapered in that way. And if there's any cast shadow, try to find the ground plane that you're going to put this on. Reflected light there. There you go.